Find the domain and range of question number 1. Y is equal to square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2. Question number 2. Y is equals to x minus 2 over x minus 4. So first one is solution. First question number 1. So that is y is equals to square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2. So to solve this question, to find the domain, first we will find the domain. To find the domain, so when this y is well defined, when the expression which is inside the radical sign must be greater than or equal to 0. So first find the domain. So y is well defined when x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. This is the condition. So here x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2. So from sign scheme, here the expression is positive for greater than 2 and positive for less than 1, and it is 0 at 1 and 2, and in between 1 and 2 it's negative. But this x minus 1 and x minus 2 must be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore x belongs to so minus infinity to closed one union 2 to infinity. In this interval the expression is non-negative, that is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore domain is equals to, domain of the function is x belongs to minus infinity to closed one union closed 2 to infinity. So this is the answer for the first question, that is first part of the first question, that is domain. Next we will find the range. So to find the range of the function, so given function is y is equals to square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2. First we will remove the square root. To get rid of that square root, square on both sides. If you square on both sides, then what you get, y square is equals to this x minus 1 into x minus 2. So now open the bracket, that is y square is equals to x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, that is y square is equals to, this is x square minus 3x plus 2. Now so take out this y square right hand side, then what you get, this implies x square minus 3x plus 2 minus y square is equals to 0. So it's a quadratic in x, and we know that x belongs to this interval because domain is from minus infinity to closed one union 2 to infinity. Therefore x is a real number. So here it's a quadratic in x and x belongs to real number. So discriminant of this quadratic must be greater than or equal to 0. So discriminant is, that is b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 square minus 4 times x square coefficient 1 into c, that is 2 minus y square must be greater than or equal to 0. This implies 9 minus 4 times 2 minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. So this implies 9 minus 8 plus 4y square is greater than or equal to 0. This implies 1 plus 4y square is greater than or equal to 0. Plus 4y square is greater than or equal to 0 for all real values of y. So Here, therefore, y belongs to all real numbers. So therefore, range of the function is y belongs to r. So this is the range of the function. So domain is this one, x belongs to minus infinity to closed one, union 2 to infinity, and range is y belongs to r. For all real values is range. So this is the solution of part 1. That is first question. Now question number 2. The question is y is equals to. Now question number 2. Question is y is equals to x minus 2 over x minus 4. X minus 2 over x minus 4. So first find the domain of the function. So to find the domain, so when this y is equals to x minus 2 or x minus 4 is well defined, when denominator is not equal to 0. So here the condition is x minus 4 should not be equal to 0. Therefore x is not equal to 4. Therefore the domain of the function is all real numbers except 4. It is defined for all real values but except 4. This is the domain of the function. Next, range. So to find the range of the function, let y is equals to, so y is equal to x minus 2 or x minus 4 is given. So cross multiply. Therefore y into x minus 4 is equal to x minus 2. So this implies, now express x in terms of y. The given equation is y is in terms of x. Now you express x in terms of y. So here, if you open the bracket, yx minus 4y is equal to x minus 2. That implies yx minus x is equals to 2 plus 4y. You take out x common here. X into y minus 1 is equals to 2 plus 4y. This implies x is equals to 2 plus 4y or y minus 1. So here we express x in terms of y when x is well defined, when y minus 1 is not equal to 0. So here y minus 1 should not be equal to 0. That implies y is not equal to 1. So other than 1, here for other than 1, all the values of y are allowed. Therefore range of the function, range is all real numbers but except 1. So this is the range of the function. Here domain is, that is x values, input values, that is all real numbers except 4, and the range is all real numbers except 1. This is the solution for the second question.